What are the engine fire zones? Powerplant installation has several designated fire zones, which are the engine power section, the engine accessory section, except for reciprocating engines, any complete power plant compartment in which no isolation is provided between the engine power section and the engine accessory section, any APU compartment, any fuel burning heater and other combustion equipment installation, the compressor and accessory sections of turbine engines, combustor, turbine, and tailpipe sections of turbine engine installations that contain lines or components carrying flammable fluids or gases. What different types of fires can occur in an engine compartment? Reciprocating engines, fires can occur from fuel leaks spraying on hot engine components, exhaust leaks streaming hot gases on other components, or the engine cowling, and electrical faults. Turbine engine failures can cause turbine blades to melt and separate from the engine, causing damage to the exhaust duct and surrounding aircraft structure or fuel lines. A fuel nozzle that is flowing too much fuel can cause burn through of the combustion liner or tail cone. What are 4 types of engine fire detection systems? Thermo switch system, thermocouple system, thermoresistor type continuous loop system, pneumatic type continuous loop system. Which type of fire detection system operates on the principle of the rate of temperature rise? The thermocouple system. Why must the reference junction in a thermocouple fire detection system be thermally insulated? This is a rate of temperature rise system. The reference junction must be insulated so its temperature will not rise as quickly as that of the measuring junctions if a fire should occur. How do you check a thermocouple fire detection system for operation? Press the test switch. This heats the test thermocouple enough for it to close the sensitive relay, which in turn closes the slave relay and activates the fire warning light and bell. How is a pneumatic type continuous loop fire detection system checked for operation? When the test switch is closed, low voltage AC flows through the tube that encloses the sensitive element. This current heats the element enough for it to release sufficient gas to activate the alarm switch. What would likely cause a false fire alarm in a thermoresistor type continuous loop system? A kinked or pinched continuous loop element. If there is a break in a single wire continuous loop fire detector element and the system tests bad, will it indicate the presence of a fire? Yes, even though it tests bad, it will still indicate the presence of a fire. What maintenance is allowed on a continuous loop fire detection system? Inspect and replace as needed the continuous loop element, the controller, and the fire warning bell and/or light. What is used as a fire extinguishing agent in some older aircraft? Carbon dioxide. What fire extinguishing agent is used in high-rate discharge bottles installed in a jet transport aircraft? Halon 1211 or 1301. How is a high-rate discharge bottle of a fire extinguishing agent discharged? A powder charge is ignited and it blows a cutter through a frangible disc that seals the bottle. What precaution must be taken when checking the electrical circuit for igniting the powder charge in the valve of a high-rate discharge bottle? The current used to check the integrity of the electric circuit must not be high enough to ignite the powder charge. What color and marking identifies the fluid lines that carry the fire extinguishing agent in an aircraft? Brown tape with a series of diamonds on it. What happens in a jet transport airplane when the fire pull T-handle for an engine is pulled? The engine fuel shutoff valve is closed and the generator field relay is tripped. The compressor bleed air valve is closed. The anti-ice valve is closed. The hydraulic supply shutoff valve is closed. The hydraulic pump low pressure warning light are turned off. What is indicated if the red discharge indicator for a fire extinguishing system is blown out? The system has been discharged by an overheat condition. What is indicated if the yellow discharge indicator for a fire extinguishing system is blown out? The system has been discharged by actuating the bottle discharge switch.